Hi, it's Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. So this futures trading tutorial is about soybean. So soybean is used in so many things right now with all this dairy alternatives, the soy milk. Soy is used in a lot of those vegan products as well. So it's a very tradable commodity and the futures are trading very well. So I do have quite a few of our traders within our Discord group, and I put the link down below in the description, trading soybean, whether it's on the automated strategy builders that we have or indeed on this chart here with ZS on the Thinkorswim chart. So this is the 10-minute time frame we have here, and I have the VWAP Predator that gives me signals, but then I have the bias depth heat map, which gives me those confirmations, which is very, very important. So this is yesterday. We're into today now. We've got some sell signals, but I want to talk about yesterday and talk about the VWAP Predator giving the signals and then that confirmation. So when we get into the end of Monday, we're getting some buy signals here, but we've got, if I just move that out of the way a second, we've got a very mixed bag on that bias depth heat map. You see on the heat map it's classed as day trading. The top row is grey on day trading when we're on this 10-minute, because actually that's a lower time frame. But then we've got 5 different time frames here going up as we go down, so higher time frames. So we're getting buy signals coming in here as well, and we've got green, yellow, red. So we've not got the confirmation, and the whole point of any of the xBrat strategies is signal confirmation. Bias depth heat map is our confirmation. We get our first buy signal that has full confirmation, so all green on the higher time frames at this point here. This is our long. This is our first long of the day at 1380.55. We do get other signals now at 4:20 a.m. all green, all green, all green, all green. We get a little pullback after the US Open. Then we're starting to go all green again, and we get another buy signal and all green on this point here. And that buy signal, really, basically, the stop will be below this pivot, goes all the way to these highs here. We use this ribbon as a conservative stop, but again with stop strategies we can employ things like the manager to understand the behavior, the volume behavior around here. But this is a massive move up here. Again, if you're a serious trader, soybean starts to move in the European morning. This is the London Open at this point here. That's the catalyst for this move. And while I'm talking right here, we are literally 7 minutes away from the London Open now. We've had 2 sell signals already. The bias depth heat map is not giving us a great deal of confirmation yet, so we wouldn't take those sell signals. We have to follow the rules. xBrat trading software is designed to make complex strategies really simple, but you need to follow those simple rules. Signal, confirmation, trade management. We use this inner bias here to get out the trade at this point here, for example. So it doesn't matter what type of strategy you're using. When you've got that signal, you need the confirmation. The bias depth heat map, and again the links down are below. There's lots of different platforms for the bias depth heat map, the VWAP Predator, not just Thinkorswim, which this is the version of, but there's TradingView, there's Ninja Trader, there's MT4. There's a lot of different platforms this is available for. But it's a very intuitive, complex strategy, but it's made simple. All that work is done behind the scenes, and we get these buy signals. But we only take the buy signals if we get the confirmation from the bias depth heat map. It's a very simple combination, but it works very, very well. It stops you getting into trouble and gets you those high probability signals. So these ones were signals and eventually did go up, but we need more momentum. We need momentum on the higher time frames, and this is what the bias depth heat map does. And yesterday was a fantastic day for trading ZS. What today brings, don't know, not got a crystal ball, but right now we've got some sell signals. Does look reasonably bearish, but we haven't got the confirmation, so we're not going to take those sell signals right now. what we're looking for is another sell signal, maybe the catalyst of the London Open and more traders starting to trade this Soy Bean Futures will give us that sell signal that we need, along with the confirmation of the bias depth heat map. So hopefully that helps. Check out those links below, Discord group and the VWAP Predator and the bias depth heat map. Great combination there, a very, very simple strategy. Got to follow the rules.